This season, the show's going to change. We're going to be out of Doug's garden a lot, looking at some of Pittsburgh's hidden treasures. It's going to be fun. And look at this lettuce. This is called flashy troutback. You should grow this, really. This week, it's this really amazing deer-resistant shrub. My latest passion project is garden art. I call this ocean blue waves.
So native plants are plants that have been here before European settlement. So these are plants that Native Americans taught us to use over generations and generations. So we know that they are, great for the environment because they help promote and keep wildlife here in the area and help them stay healthy by providing all the great nutrients and food and shelter and resources that they need.
So how long is it going to take to get this thing staked and ready?
Just a few minutes, yes.
I'll be back
with the right tools. All right. I'll get started.